Hey everyone! Welcome back to Limpier's YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to every homeowner's heart. Where to find affordable outdoor cleaning near you. So, if you're ready to transform your outdoor space without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our tips on keeping your space sparkling clean. Now, let's get started. Picture this: a clean driveway, a pristine patio, and an exterior that radiates freshness. That's the magic of outdoor cleaning. But finding affordable options is the key. And that's what we're exploring today. Why does affordability matter when it comes to outdoor cleaning? Well, a clean exterior not only enhances the beauty of your home but also contributes to a healthier living environment. At Limpier, we understand that everyone deserves a clean and inviting outdoor space. That's why we've made affordability a cornerstone of our services. Quality outdoor cleaning that doesn't break the bank. That's our promise. Now, the golden question: where can you find top-notch yet affordable outdoor cleaning services near you? Let's explore some options. Of course, we have to start with Limpier. As your local cleaning experts, we specialize in affordable outdoor cleaning services tailored to your needs. Quality meets affordability right at your doorstep. Another fantastic option is to tap into your local community. Friends, neighbors, or online community forums often share their experiences with affordable and reliable outdoor cleaning services. Now, let me tell you why choosing Limpier for your outdoor cleaning needs is a game changer. Our transparent pricing, tailored services, and a team of skilled professionals make us your go-to for affordable excellence. Are you ready to experience the magic of affordable outdoor cleaning? Contact Limpier today and let us transform your outdoor space into a clean and vibrant haven. Because at Limpier, we believe everyone deserves a beautiful home without compromising on quality. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Subscribe for more tips on creating a cleaner, happier living space. Until next time, happy cleaning!